All right, getting infected with a virus is not really as common these days as getting infected with a Trojan or spyware, right? But there is still a chance to be infected. The same way other malware can hit your computer, so can viruses.
Right.
They can do it the same way. Websites that are compromised or at least have weaknesses and are susceptible to attacks like XSS can lead to downloading a virus. So clicking on pop-ups in hacking sites or pornography sites will definitely install something on your PC. Fake antiviruses are advertised with every newly launched OS. So why SEO? Well, usually these companies provide legitimate services, but in some cases they've been used to advertise things that you really aren't interested in.
That's
Malicious sites on search engines, like in the case of DNS Changer, which we will discuss in a few slides.
Now, another way is by using spam emails or phishing. Now, which, they really have a good number of customers. Usually, these tricky emails can attract users that are really unaware of the security issues behind them. So free apps and shared apps like cracked software from unreliable sources are not really free, are they?
No.
They cost you in your privacy or the damage of your system.
Yeah, nothing's free in this world, right? No, especially software. Viruses could infect your computer in many ways, so what you can do to protect your PC is to have a good antivirus program that is kept up to date, and that's an important part of it.
Yes.
However, this is not enough. Antivirus isn't enough. We've heard this over and over again. You still have to be careful with how you browse the internet and what you click on there.
And I want to just add one thing there, is that there are a lot of different options for antivirus out there. So do your homework. Do some research. Find out what other people are learning out there and read the reviews, and that'll help you know where's a good place to go.